Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here and Arry himself.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Arry himself. Now, we haven't had a trip like this for quite some time. We're off down to Allen's post-lockdown to go see UNY 49M. So without further ado, let's go see him. Happy days. Arry The Stag. The wettest May on record, apparently. This time last year we were basking in sunshine. At least we're free. Okay, out of the Batmobile. Let's see how it's all going. All right, Arry, all set. Lovely.
Where were they? Were they there?
Yeah, 3 trees were there. They've all gone.
Oh, they must have been outside the wall,
Yeah.
surely.
Oh, I can see some mellow yellow. I can see some yellow. Exciting. There they are. There you go. All will be revealed. Look at this. Hello, hello, hello. Look at that. Looks beautiful.
It's got to be polished back.
Yeah.
The other wing, I'm going to swing the car around this way,
Okay.
Harry.
Let's have a look.
I think, no, I might not
It's
have
definitely very yellow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which way do you want to go?
All right.
That's around there like that.
Yeah. On the
I
front.
do love this trolley.
It's brilliant. You can manoeuvre it at will, can't you?
If you have a look at this side,
Yeah.
and it's got tape on it at the moment. Now, where was it? There was one bit I wasn't happy with.
Okay.
I put the tape on to make sure that my line was there.
Yeah.
I have no objections to a second opinion. I've got a raise there
Yeah.
that
Okay.
I've got to take down,
Okay.
but I still think
Tiny bit
Here.
there. I can see there. Yeah, I can
that
see.
I've got to take down.
Just the top there, maybe. Yeah. Yeah.
I've got like a hard.
Yeah.
The hard roll there, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
I've got to bring that more gradual.
Yeah. Okay.
This is the side, if you remember, it was stoved.
It got pushed
Quite deep.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That side was bad enough.
Yeah. But this one
This side,
was creased and buggered.
yeah. In fact, if you feel inside, you can feel where I had to cut it
Yeah.
to put it back in.
Get it straight up under there. Yeah.
The general line I'm happy with.
It's amazing. I'm really impressed. Looks really good, Al.
I really wanted it all in colour.
Yeah.
Technically,
Well, it is, isn't it?
Well,
Yeah. Technically. Yeah.
it's a colour.
It's definitely a yellow stag now.
Yeah.
After all this, Mrs. doesn't like yellow.
Yeah. Getting it in bits.
Yeah, to get different Mrs.
So this side I'm happy with.
Yeah.
Front wing and the back wing now.
That's amazing, isn't it? That's really good.
I'm happy with my line.
Let's come round back the other way again.
That line.
The front
is
there, all done.
in-line.
All these panels are nice. With all
Because
these.
for some reason, when I first sprayed it, I messaged you. I said I wasn't happy with the wing because this line ended up coming up there somehow. Yet it's kind of bizarre because these panels from there down were the replacement panels.
Yeah, they were,
Yeah.
weren't they? Yeah.
So from there down should have been okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it should have been
But
set.
this rear swage line, and bearing in mind that was a complete panel,
Yeah.
this line was up. So I had to do an awful lot more dress work
Yeah.
to get it there.
Yeah.
It's
It's looking stonking, mate. Well impressed.
that paint only went on this morning.
Did it?
It's still only a guide coat.
Okay. So
It's
still
not-
more work to do
It's
in
not
that.
the finished coat,
No.
and once it's polished, it will look like that front wing.
Yeah. Okay. That front wing looks really glossy, doesn't it? Again, that was multi-panel as well, wasn't it? If you remember.
There's 5 different panels in that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. I remember the wheel arch
5.
and a thing under the valance at the front. That's right.
I will be honest. I know it's there. I can feel it just there.
Yeah.
There's a dimple,
Right.
but the bumper. Will
You ain't going
break.
to be able to see that. Are
Bumper will cover that, and
you? Yeah.
it's still a 50-year-old car.
The other
Yeah.
thing
Exactly right.
that someone else pointed out to me the other day. When are you going to see the car at this height ever again?
Exactly.
And everything that I'm picking up on when it's down on its wheels, you won't notice.
No.
No.
Well,
Not
yeah,
just-
that's going to be here, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
It's actually quite a look. I've been working on the other one this morning,
Yeah.
doing
it'd
the
have to be
brakes.
a right dot to be
Working on the brakes. There's
The
not a
other
lot of room underneath.
The other thing that was pointed out to me that I do know but tend to always forget, these fluorescent lights
Yeah.
change colour
Yeah.
and highlight stuff that's not really that noticeable.
No. No.
I did have it outside.
Yeah,
when
I
first
saw-
sprayed it.
I saw.
pushed it outside so I could see it in daylight.
Yeah.
And this wing, even though I wasn't happy when I pushed it back in,
Yeah.
out there didn't look too bad.
No. No. No.
The other wing, as I say, finding that dent, I was not happy about.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're almost there, lads.
We are, aren't we? I
Yeah.
think you've done ever so well, Alan.
I,
It's been a labour of love, isn't it, right from the word
had
go.
I not done this,
Yes.
I was lucky actually because I thought I can't work.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I got a phone call with the company I drive for.
Yeah. Right.
I
Okay.
have not done a trip for over a year.
No. So you
I
have
want
to.
to do a quick run to Paris. I've not done COVID.
Yeah.
I've not had to travel through COVID.
No.
I've not had to do all the bloody customs T forms and everything else before. Because all of a sudden this year it's COVID and Brexit.
Yeah. It's all in one.
Oh,
isn't it?
I got a lot of learning to do. But, so yeah, we're almost at a point where you're going to have to arrange transport.
Yeah. Sounds good.
There is one bit that does annoy me that I have got. I was happy at the way all of this paintwork was gone,
Yeah.
except just there.
Oh yeah. Little crease.
And I had not seen it until I've sprayed this today. Because it had been masked, you can just see it. It's just here.
Oh, right. Just there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You can hardly see it, can you?
It's annoying because when it's in primer and in filler, you can't see a lot of it.
No.
The moment you put a gloss on it, it picks everything out. But in saying that, that front wing looked similar until I polished it.
Yeah. Polishes up really well, doesn't it?
The yellow does.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it's good paint.
yeah.
Get the next one down, so you see.
Yes.
Which is why I said, when do you want it? Because I can get it here this week if you want it.
Not this week.
No.
Give us another week of doing this.
Yeah, that's fine, mate. I was going to say, because mine will be, I just get it to you, just have it done, and I'll take it straight back.
Yeah.
Because I want to have it back on the road. So.
Top work.
Yeah.
Saturday edition. So.
All right, guys. Well, that looks very positive, doesn't it, Harry?
Looks nice.
Yeah. Very, very pleased with how things are going. He's still got a little bit of snagging to do, some fine fettling and whatever, but we're definitely getting there. And I really don't think much longer than a month or so. Less than that, it's going to be back at home. So happy days. We'll have to sort out some transport and sort out the garage to make some space.
It will all be done.
It would all be done. Good stuff. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed today, guys. Great to get out and about and see Alan at work and how the old car's getting on. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and sign up for your Saturday sockets and the badge of honour, always available free of charge. Yeah, we'll see you online on Arry The Stag
Very soon.
very soon. Cheers for now. See ya. Bye.